Getting a new update always feels refreshing. Today we are getting new tools to create better videos. Now CapCut actually have many new features like generating script and generating whole video based on your script. Currently I'm in Indonesia, so some of these features are not available in my country, but it will come. So don't worry, we can still access these features using CapCut online. By the way, CapCut are also available on both mobile and web browser. Alright, feature number 1 is script to video. So first, you have to type a slash, then type your text description, click continue, and this is your script now. Can we make a video based on that script? Yes, now I'm going to show you how to do that. So select the aspect ratio and the voice as well, and you can select custom or smart generation. So I choose smart generation to generate a whole video based on your text prompt, including video track, subtitles, and music.
Volcanoes are one of the most active and awe-inspiring features on our planet, contributing to the formation of islands, soil, and water cycles.
Now let's jump over into CapCut Desktop. Next is enhance your image quality. Using this enhancer tool, it definitely took out some of blurriness and the details seems a bit defined. Then I'm going to adjustments and set auto adjust to enhance the color and exposure based on the information from your footage. For the second clip, I want to get rid of that noisy image because I took this video at high ISO. Next is remove filler words. CapCut can automatically detect filler words like and delete them for you. Simply, just click this icon, and now say goodbye to the hassle of manual cutting. From a very young age, I had fascination of spending time alone. People think being alone makes you lonely, but I don't think that's true. Then we have Auto Caption. Auto Caption is a great tool to generate and add caption automatically. You can even choose different languages, and now this is your caption. Now what you can do is adjust the text, change the style, and even add animation. From a very young age, I had fascination of spending time alone. People think being alone makes you lonely, but I don't think that's true. I think it's very healthy to spend time where you can feel the stillness. Go out into the ocean or up into the mountains where there are not too many people. You still need to optimize CapCut so that you can finish your work even faster. Just hit the link below to download CapCut for free. I hope you found this video useful in some way. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I will see you later in the next video.